Hi, I'm Guy Champion. I'm here at Agritechnica 2019. I'm here on the Kramer stand, which is the first time it's an international show. Kramer's been fully integrated with John Deere. 12 machines on display. I'm here in the KL 55.8, which we've ordered one for a demonstration coming into the 2020 season. It's over 5 metre lift and over 5 tonne tip capacity as well. 40k on the road, climate control, very comfy bit of kit. So whilst here on the stand, we've got the limited edition Kramer. This is the KT559. It's 5.5 tonne up to a 9 metre lift. There's also a 407 version available and also a 447. So get in, order them early. We've already sold one, we've got some more in order, and God, they look sexy in black. So we're here with the new KT407. This will be coming later in 2020. A few little addition changes. We've got the nice cut-out step here, so a lot easier to get in and out of, as you can see the machine. We're also raising it up by 150 millimetres, so that'll give better visibility all round. So that'll be in all the models going from a 3 tonne 6 metre right up to the 4 tonne 7 metres. So really good, really nice to see here. That's coming later in 2020, so you saw it here first.